And here we are looking at Lake Coeur d'Alene. Always a beautiful lake, but yeah, we've got the smoke and we've got the haze. In fact, we didn't even see the sky today. It's so smoky and so hazy. And believe it or not, there's actually some relief in sight. As we get further along into the weekend, I do believe we're going to see some relief from all this smoke and haze. But until then, we have air quality alerts at least into noon on Saturday across much of the western states, including Spokane, Coeur d'Alene, as air has been unhealthy at times. And in fact, it's been above 100. So people with respiratory issues should be aware of this. And in fact, when it gets this bad, you just want to stay indoors. Winds right now are fairly calm around Deer Park, Spokane 6 miles an hour, as well as Coeur d'Alene. Calm winds at Sandpoint. Temperatures still hot. We're still into the 90s. 90 in Spokane, 88 in Coeur d'Alene, 89 for you in Deer Park. Lots of 90s back toward the Columbia Basin, where we have 94 in Grand Coulee as well as Omak. And closer in, we're looking for highs still into the 90s and current temperatures. 86 in Post Falls and 89 right now in Rathdrum. Now, we've been tracking some isolated showers across the mountains of western Montana and eastern Idaho, but much of the inland northwest is pretty quiet this evening, and it's going to stay that way as that high pressure system continues to dominate, just giving us all this hot weather, the smoky conditions, the hazy conditions as well. But as we move into the weekend, the high is going to start to weakening, push off toward the east, and that is good news. Instead of being capped over with this air, we're going to start picking up a southwesterly wind, and that's going to scour out a lot of the smoke. We're going to see more blue sky, and maybe we'll see the possibility of some showers coming in early next week as well. Not expecting a lot. We could get a little bit. We're still going to get, though, the clouds, the haze, and the smoke into Friday at least, so not much in the way of blue sky. But as we get farther into the weekend, things are going to start mixing up a little bit more, and that's going to make things a lot better. So 95 in Deer Park tomorrow, 97 Davenport, Ritzville, 100, 101 Moses Lake. Smoky, hazy weather, Coeur d'Alene, Spokane, St. Mary's, all into the low to mid 90s. Another hot summer afternoon. Kellogg 91, Lewiston 100 degrees, Pullman 95. Now there's also still the possibility of some scattered afternoon showers or a thunderstorm over the mountain areas over the next few days as well. But in the lower elevations, it's going to be hazy, smoky, temperatures in the low to mid 90s, but the changes are coming. We could see isolated thunderstorm on Sunday, numbers going down, maybe a little moisture Monday. Tuesday, we're into the low 80s, and I think we'll get some blue skies, and who knows, maybe a tiny bit of moisture to go along with that. But it's quite a change from what we've been seeing, this stretch of 90-degree days, the hot weather coming to an end. Finally, we're getting back to where we more should be.
Yeah, more normal.
Yeah, normal winds.
Nothing wrong with normal.
I'll take it. It's been a while.
Right. All right. Thanks, Randy.